In this video, I'll be showing how I applied these Gel X nails and also a breakdown of how I did the nail art for each nail. I've already prepped and primed the natural nail. Now I'm etching the inside of the Gel X tip and applying it at a 45-degree angle with the Extend Gel, sealing the cuticle using the drill, and also sealing it with acetone so that prevents lifting and hair getting stuck under the nail. This makes your nails last a month. The first nail is a 3D Ladybug. I'm starting off with a white coat, then a pink coat to make it look like that natural color for my skin tone. You want to do 2 different size circles for the ladybug, then use a liner brush dipped in black polish to make the head of the ladybug and also the legs and the dots. You really want to try and make this look as symmetrical as possible because ladybugs do kind of have that perfect look to them. This is a rhinestone gel from a cart. You want to flash cure each one in between so it doesn't run on to like different parts that aren't the circle. I did the same design for the middle finger, so I'm showing again, just do a dollop and then try and self-level it out and then do the top coat and you're done for that nail. It's a lot easier than it looks. For this next nail, I'm doing kind of an ombre gold 3D border vibe. I started off with that neutral color and I put a little red into the airbrush machine. I'm top coating, then buffing the surface because when you buff the surface, the chrome won't stick to it. Next, when I do the design, I'm mixing the same rhinestone gel with a black gel, and this just makes it look elevated on the surface. I wipe with alcohol because that's how I get all of my chrome to stick, and now I'm using a gold chrome and pretty much just wiping it all over. I really do prefer just using alcohol to make chrome stick because the top coat kind of just is an extra step for me. And then after that, most of it should brush away. If you see some chrome left, it means you didn't buff it enough. And so afterwards, I'm using that same Koopa top coat and that nail is complete. This is the classic chrome border nail. I'm starting off with a nice red polish. Then I'm going in with a gold chrome on a liner brush, and you can use alcohol to clean up your mess. After that, I'm using that same Macart rhinestone glue and putting the charm where I want to. You really want to level it out and then flash cure and then top it with the Koopa top coat and then you're done. This final nail design is the red cat eye gel polish. Start off with a black base and I'm using a silver cat eye polish and using the magnet at a 45-degree angle. This really is just a work in progress. You can wipe it off and retry again. Afterwards, I'm using a red jelly polish to make it look like a galaxy. After that, I'm using the same Koopa top coat. And after that, you want to cure your nails for 60 seconds and then your nails are complete. If you liked the video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment any other nail tutorials you want to see or any comments you have for me.